In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract top n record value from the table, including type value, as well as how to develop dynamic range chart as well. So if I type top 4 value here, it will extract top 4 student and the chart will automatically update along with the chart title as well. The first thing we will type unique function on this sheet, unique, just double click, select column B, close the parenthesis, hit enter, and this will extract unique score from column B. Now I will type large function to extract top 3 value. So I'm just going to click on active formula cell, type large, open parenthesis. In this case, array is the whole unique function result, type comma, and the key value is actually E2 cell. So I'm just going to select E2, close parenthesis, hit enter, and this will extract top third value. Now what we need to do, we need to use these result and filter function. So I'm just going to select all of the result, hit Ctrl X key, remove the equal sign, click on D5 cell, equal filter. For the array, I will select all of the table. For the include parameter, I will select column B greater than equal to, and I will hit Ctrl V to paste the large function. Close parenthesis, hit enter, and this will extract our result as per our intro. Now if I type here 4, it will extract top 4 record including type value as well. One more thing we need to do, we need to sort these results based on score column. So I'm just going to click on first cell which has active formula, click here, type sort, open parenthesis, array in this case is the whole result we get from filter function, comma, based on which column you want to sort. So in this case, I want to sort based on column B and ascending order or descending order. So in this case, I want in descending order. So I'm just going to double click on descending. Close parenthesis, hit enter, and now we get our result in descending order based on top n value. If I type here 2, it will extract top 2 record including type value. Since this is dynamic array, so I'm just going to click anywhere, go to insert recommended chart. In this case, I will select this bar chart, hit OK, and this will create a basic bar chart. In this case, I will choose this design layout. I want to dynamic my title. So I will click anywhere on column H, hit equal, right quotation mark, top, space, quotation mark again, and person, and I will select E2 and person, quotation mark, space, and I will type here student. Hit enter, and this will create a dynamic title. Now I will click on chart title, click the mouse here again, and select the cell which has dynamic title we created. Hit enter, and now our title is connected with this cell. I will move this chart a little bit up to hide my title, and now if I change 2 to 3, it will show top 3 student. The next thing, I will click on this label, plus icon, data label, more options, and I will select outside end. In this case, I will choose dark color for label. So I will just click here and I will select dark blue color. The next thing, I want to change each of the bar with different colors. So I will click on bar, click on fill and lines. You can see option here, vary color by point. Now I want our chart in descending order too. Currently this chart in opposite direction of our score. So I just need to click on vertical x-axis, and you can see format x-axis window will be appear. You just need to click here, category in reverse order. And I think we don't need these horizontal x-axis, so I will just click and hit delete key. If you want to delete the grid line, just click on grid line, hit delete key to delete those as well. Now our chart is ready. We need to apply conditional formatting here too. First, I will go to view tab to off the grid line to look our sheet perfect. Next, I will select a range on which I want to apply conditional formatting. So I'm just selecting up to this range, home, conditional formatting, new rule, click format only cell date contain, click this drop down, no blank, click format, fill. I will choose this light color, click on border. Select this border. In this case, I will also choose the light color for my border. Click again to apply, hit OK. And this is how we can create a simple dynamic report. Now, if I switch top n value to 5, it will extract top 5 record along with the chart as well. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have time, please share this video as well. Thank you so much.